तो हम लोग सबसे पहले फ्री फॉल पढ़ने वाले हैं। फ्री फॉल में बेसिकली होता क्या है वो देखने वाले हैं सबसे पहले। तो फ्री फॉल में बेसिकली होता ये है, एक सेकंड, ठीक है। तो फ्री फॉल में बेसिकली क्या होता है, हम लोग को तीन पॉइंट का हम लोग को टोटल एनर्जी निकालना है और देखना है कि तीनों पॉइंट में कांस्टेंट है या फिर क्या है। तो सबसे पहले पहला पॉइंट देखते हैं हम लोग। सबसे पहले फ्री फॉल का डेफिनेशन देखते हैं। इफ वी रिलीज एन ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम अ हाइट, ठीक है, कोई भी हाइट से हम लोग रिलीज करते तो फिर वो पुल्ड अवे, वो पुल्ड होता है नीचे बाय द सर्फेस ऑफ द अर्थ ड्यू टू द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स एक्टिंग ऑन इट, ठीक है। जब एक ऑब्जेक्ट को हम लोग छोड़ते हैं तो वो जब अकेले गिर रहा रहता है, जब सोलोली गिर रहा रहता है, तभी वो अंडर द इन्फ्लुएंस होता है ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स के, और इसके लिए वो बोला जाता है वो फ्री फॉल में है और भी और टू बी फ्रीली फॉलिंग, ठीक है। लेट अस लुक एट द काइनेटिक एंड पोटेंशियल एनर्जीज ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ मास m फॉलिंग फ्रीली थ्रू फ्रॉम हाइट h व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट डिफरेंट हाइट्स, ठीक है। तो ये एक डायग्राम है सपोज, वो डायग्राम से हम लोग को निकालना है, ठीक है। सबसे पहले हम लोग को पहला पॉइंट का निकालना है, वो क्या है, व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट स्टेशनरी a इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज u इज इक्वल टू 0। तो u का मतलब होता है इनिशियल वेलोसिटी, तो k इज इक्वल टू हाफ एम वी स्क्वायर। हाफ एम वी स्क्वायर मीन्स हाफ मास मल्टीप्लाई बाय वेलोसिटी का स्क्वायर, तो फिर हाफ एम यू स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू के ई इज इक्वल टू 0, ठीक है। तो हाफ एम यू स्क्वायर उसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे। सबसे हम लोग वेलोसिटी जो है वो इनिशियल लेंगे हम लोग, नॉट द फाइनल वेलोसिटी। फाइनल वेलोसिटी इज डिनोटेड बाय v, but the starting velocity is not denoted by v. The starting velocity is denoted by initial u, and so as per the law u is equal to 0. So half mv square, if we will calculate the half mv square, so the ke will come, we will multiply m multiply by 0 ka square, then m multiply by 0 ka square is 0, 0 0, the half of 0 is also 0, so k is equal to 0. So if we will put the formula of PE, that is potential energy, and the formula of PE is mass multiplied by gravity multiplied by height. So if we will take the total energy of any object is PE plus KE. So the KE is here 0 plus mgh, that is total energy is called mgh in the first case. Okay, so we can see here in the first case we can see that total energy is KE plus PE, that is mgh. Okay, in the first case. Okay, so we will consider it as the first equation. In the second, let the object of the let the velocity of the object be v. Now here we will take the final velocity, that is v, and we will take that vb. Okay, so it is spelled as vb. Let the velocity of the object be vb. It reaches at एक second. Simply, if this is something, okay, it is now under my influence, okay, my gravitational force influence. So if I will leave it, see, if I will leave it from here, it will it will be attracted by the earth surface, and it will be under the influence of gravitational force. So that's the reason that it will, this is the free fall. This is falling freely because I am not doing anything on it, because it's only been attracted by the gravity that is on the earth surface and in our earth. Okay, that is simple example. So this is the height a, and this is the height b, this is the height b, and at the last this is the height c at the ground. Okay, at the ground it will remain constant, I guess. So in the second, let the velocity of the object be vb. So when it reaches point b, having fallen through a distance x, means this is the distance x, we can see here this is the distance x, and having fallen through distance x means we will be coming at b, point b. U is equal to 0. U means our initial velocity, it will be 0. S is equal to x, because the displacement, we don't know the displacement, so we will consider x is equal to x, and we will consider a is equal to g, because acceleration is also gravitational force. Okay, that though your teacher would have made you learned, I guess. So we will use the second equation of, sorry, third equation of motion, that is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So vb square, then we will take vb square is equal to 0, u ka square is equal to 0, okay, plus 2gx. We have taken a is equal to g, and x is equal to x, so we will take 2gx. So vb square is equal to 2gx. So here we will take ke as half mvb square, and half m. We have seen here vb square is equal to 2gx. So instead of writing vb square, we will write 2gx, and k is equal to mgx. We will multiply it and made a half of it, so it will be like 2 से 2 कट जाएगा, उसके बाद बचेगा क्या, mgx, बस। तो फिर हम लोग लिख देना है। फिर हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट व्हेन एट b इज इक्वल टू h माइनस x, तो h माइनस x है, तो हम लोग को हाइट h माइनस x से पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस निकालना, तो mg h तो हाइट जो है, हाइट बोल रहे हैं ना हम लोग, हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट व्हेन एट पॉइंट बी, तो फिर वो h माइनस एक्स है, राइट? सो व्हाट वी विल डू हियर इज PE इज इक्वल टू mgh माइनस mgx. Okay, so the mgh minus mgx we will do, if we will multiply mg multiply by h minus x, so it will come like that only. uh, Wait a second, let me take a pen, I guess. Hmm. Sorry, that is a lot of disturbance in my surroundings. Sitting in our area, so I am sitting at the hall area, so that's why there are more than many. Where was I? One second, let me back to the topic of the free fall. Okay, so I was at the third point, I guess. Oh, sorry, second point. So PE is equal to mgh minus mgx. So it will be. So where was I? So first of all, what we are doing here is we will take the potential energy is equal to mgh minus mgx, which we will multiply. So what we will do here, PA is equal to mgh minus mgx. If we will multiply mg with h minus x, so the formula will come mgh minus mgx. So the total energy will be Ke plus PE. So mgx plus mgh minus mgx is equal to total energy, which is equal to mgh minus, which is, we will take the second equation. So the we can see that first one is also same, and the first equation was mgh, I guess. Mgh is this, and the second equation is also mgh. So in the third equation, that is a large equation. What we will do is, let the velocity of the object be vc. We have considered it as vb in the second, so we will consider it as vc in the third. So when it reaches the ground near point C, okay. So here also the initial velocity is 0 and the displacement is h, and the a is equal to g. Okay, acceleration is also noted by the gravitational force, that's why we are taking that. So we will also, here is a third equation of motion. So v square is equal to u square plus 2a, v square is equal to 0, vc square is equal to 0 plus 2adh. Therefore ke is equal to half mvc square, which is equal to half m 2gh, because vc is equal to 2gh, so we can take it either 2gh. Ke is equal to mgh. So here we have to, just what we have to do is P is equal to mgh, which is equal to 0. Total energy is equal to K plus P. So the answer will come mgh. We will take it as third equation. So what will happen from equations 1, 2 and 3? The answer will come that total energy at the object is the same at the 3 points A, B and C. This whole paragraph we don't have to write because it is not necessary to write it. So I think the free fall is well understood to you. You can see it. If you have any doubts, you can